everybody, Corey, Precision 4x4 Center, or as we're known on the internet, ToyotaFiberglass.com. Going to do a little walk around with you today, show you one of our 89 to 95 style long beds. Okay, so as you can see, it is a complete bed. You basically take off your old one, put on your new one. It's got all the little marks and things. We don't drill some of the holes. Say for instance your rock chip protectors. The marks are there, so some people will fill them in, or I recommend using them. Why not? If you got them, use them. They won't rust underneath. Inside of the bed, the floor is flat, not corrugated. And we do not drill the mounting holes. So it's fairly easy to install. We do supply a hardware kit, little extra, but well worth it. That includes things like hardware for the tailgate, all the mounting bolts, that kind of stuff. So you basically will line up your body lines, get your cab gap correct, and drill up through the bottom. Okay, so as you can see, we drill all the holes for the original factory equipment in the gate. The nutserts are all inserted, so with the hardware kit, we supply the nuts and bolts that you need for that. So all your tailgate guts basically just bolt right in. The handle holes are all there as well, so it just fits right in place. We've also got the tailgate panel, so that will fit on top as well. You just basically reuse your original hardware on that. We do not drill the hardware or the openings for the latches and stays on that side. That's up to you. It's fairly easy to do. Typically, if you send that to us, we'll do it. So for the fuel filler, you will just reuse your original factory door. You can see the hardware is here, lock catch is here, so all the holes are drilled. Your fuel filler pipe will just fit in through the back using the original hardware. The 10mm bolts have bolted into place. You can put your bumpers back in for the door, and then basically just put your door on. So it's all set up. I'll just show you how that works. Two little screws hold the door in place, just like factory. There is a little movement for adjustment for your body lines. So before you crank it tight, you can have a quick peek and get a real good idea as to where you want to put it. Tighten it down. Now before you close it, just get your make sure your gaps are correct. And there it is. Just like that. So I think that's about all I can show you on this unit. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We've got much more product videos coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.